Ever wonder why diesel engines need glow plugs? Glow plugs heat the air inside a diesel engine's cylinders before starting. That heat helps diesel fuel ignite properly. Unlike gas engines, diesel engines require heat, not spark, to start. Glow plugs provide that with extra heat, especially in cold weather. They help your engine start faster, idle smoother, and reduce smoke at startup. If your diesel engine struggles to start, your glow plugs could be the reason. Bad glow plugs mean hard starts, rough idling, poor fuel economy, and extra engine wear. Replacing them helps your diesel engine start faster, run cleaner, and last longer. Not sure if your glow plugs are due? Stop by Jaguar Naperville Authorized Service to have us diagnose your vehicle. If your diesel Jaguar is in need of new glow plugs, you can schedule service with us to have a factory-trained technician perform repairs the right way. Schedule your service today at Jaguar Naperville Authorized Service.